Yeah, okay. So as I was saying, so mobile development basically is it involves you being able to build a mobile application, that is software that can work on your mobile phone. And most of us are using a mobile phone, either Android or iPhone is a mobile device. So any app that is working on those mobile device now, that's for you to be able to develop those kind of app. That's what we want to learn. So that's what this call is majorly all about. Yeah. So we'll be learning for now because in mobile development now, as I said, mobile development just involve you being able to build mobile software, that is software that can run on a mobile device. Yeah. So now in mobile development now there's different approach for you to be able to build mobile application. That is for you to build mobile application now, there's different way of you doing it. That is there's different languages you can use. So the one we'll be using tonight is Kotlin. So Kotlin uh is a what's it called, is a native language for Android, and that's what we'll be using throughout this course. Although moving forward, probably next year now, we are going to start another course which we brush up, that is which we like um what's it called now, like inspire us on how to build for iOS, because what we'll be learning majorly now is Android development. So we only be able to build for Android development, but moving forward we also learn how to build for iOS, that is how to build for apps on iOS, that is apps on iPhone. Yeah, so um that's what we'll be doing. Alpha Randy, sorry, G, sorry, okay. Hello Randy, can you hear me? You can unmute yourself to talk. I'm not sure. You can also drop a message if you are in a noisy area so I can know if you can hear me or not. Hello. Mm. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Sorry, the network was bad.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, so what's up now? Have you been able to download that Android Studio?
Yeah, I did.
You have downloaded it, right?
Yeah, very well.
Okay, cool. So, let me see. Two people were on this call before. I don't know why they left. Probably their network also is bad. Let me see if they will jump back in the next 2 minutes. We just start by 9:15. Although the call is recorded, so they can always come back and watch the stuff. But it will be better if they're on discussion. So what we'll be doing basically is to walk through like the setup of Android Studio and everything. So that's what we'll be doing today. So our class will be twice in a week. That should be Tuesday and Thursday. So Tuesday and Thursday we have,
Twice a week.
yeah, twice a week.
Wow.
Tuesday and Thursday. So
Yeah.
all the other days you'll be using that in your free time. You'll be using that to do some practice, and also like learn some other stuff, and also do some assignments that will be given to you over the course of the boot camp. So I think twice a week is okay for everyone. so it won't be too occupied
Yeah.
because once school resume now, everywhere will be choked up. Hmm. What happened to this guy? Is it network? Okay. Samuel Damilari. Yeah. Hello. Good evening. Hello, Samuel. Hello, Samuel Damilari. Can you hear me?
Hello, good evening.
Yeah. What's up? How you doing?
I'm doing good.
All right. You're on the mobile group, right? That is on the group chat.
Yeah, I'm on the mobile. Yeah, I'm on the mobile group. Yeah,
Uh,
WhatsApp, right?
yes. What's up?
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry. What's your name on that group chat?
I think is he no Catafo? Yeah, Catafo.
Katapo. Oh yeah, yeah. I can see your stuff now. Yeah. So have you been able to download Android Studio?
Yeah, yeah. No. I've not set up my system. I've not done that. But I will do that tonight. I just saw the message in the evening while I
Okay.
was going to schedule it. I was of my to was about that.
But
So
are
I'm
you
just
with your
preparing
laptop right now?
it on my.
Are you with your
Yeah, I'm with
laptop
my
right?
laptop right now.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm with my laptop.
Okay. Okay. So let's just start without wasting time. So anybody that wants to join, we
I actually downloaded the Android Studio
okay.
this thing. What they call it?
Let me. I'll set up my system now.
All right. Please
It's
set
not
up your
showing on
system.
what's it called? It's not showing on the system. It's only under the download in the file.
Yeah, I will show you how to
Is that
go.
what it's to do?
No. Well, let me just show you how to go about all the installation stuff. So now, you can join the Google. You can join this meet on your phone and walk through the process on your laptop, so you can be seeing what I'm doing. So with that, yeah, because I'll be sharing my screen. Can you guys see my screen now?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, okay. So if you can join the this meet on your phone and be following the process I'll be using on the laptop. So with that you'll be seeing what I'm doing and also follow along. You grab. Okay. So now the first thing is you have to go and download Android Studio. So for those that have Android Studio, though I already have my own installed, sha, but you see I will still walk through you through the process of installing it. Although our installation might be different because my system is Mac OS. I don't know. Probably you guys are using Windows, or if you're also using Mac OS, then it will be the same. Or but if you are using Windows, it will be a little bit different in terms of interface and all. So once you have the Android Studio download on your system, what you just need to do is double click on it. So once you double click on it, it will just bring like all this normal prompt of what is it called, of installation. So you just click on accept, you accept the terms and condition. What else? You just click on next, and for the stuff to install. So once the stuff installed, now then we can now go to the next stuff. Have you been able to do that? Have anyone been able to do that? You guys can hear me, right? Hello.
So yeah, thank you. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So have you tried installing the Android Studio now?
You know, it's saying something. I've not. How would I do it?
Yeah. Now on that software you download, the one you downloaded, just double click on it, just like you want to install a file on your system. So just double click
Uh,
on it. So once you double click on it, it will show you all those normal installation process, that is acceptance and condition and
put
everything.
that in my
Yeah. You know what? You can just send me. You can take a
okay.
picture of your current state and send it to the group. I will just check it and give you the process. Just take a screenshot. You can snap it with your phone and send it to the group so I can see where you are currently. So Caleb, you said you have not installed Android Studio. So where we are currently is, go to that software. That is, once you download the Android Studio, just do the normal installation of software. Just double click on it and try opening it. The installation is actually the same way of installing any software, but there's still some setup you just have to do. That's the only difference. So please let me know if you are facing any issue. Just let me know on this call now.
Okay, but the thing is, like, I could not really hear you very well. Like, the network is breaking every almost.
Oh, yeah, I think the network is pretty
Okay,
bad.
are you there?
Yes, I can hear you.
Um, they said select the start menu folder and you would like to create the program shop.
Please, can you send me a screenshot? Can you snap and send on the group?
Okay, don't worry, I'm installing the.
Okay.
I'm doing.
What do you say?
It's installing.
Okay, what about Samuel?
Is he? Are you sure he's still around?
Yeah, he's still on this call. Samuel Damilari, are you still here? What about Caleb?
I don't think. Maybe they're trying to screenshot.
Okay, and but I think their network also is poor. Just need to finish the installation once and for all, because it's after the installation that we can what's it called?
No.
Caleb, you wanted to say something?
Mm.
So basically, as I was explaining earlier, so the purpose of us installing Android Studio, basically, Android Studio is an IDE, that is integrated development environment, which simply means that it has the environment for developing Android application. Android application in sense that Android apps, that is apps or application that can work on Android device. So that's what's it called? That's what's it called now? The IDE of it. And that's why we are installing Android Studio, for us to have access to the software development kit of Android itself, because without that we won't be able to develop for Android on our system. So we just need to have the ID. As you can see in this Android Studio homepage, they said get the official integrated development environment ID for Android apps. So this Android Studio is like the engine behind the Android apps. That is, for you to be able to develop for Android apps, you must have Android Studio installed. That is, you must have it installed because it has the development environment for Android application. So that's why we are installing Android Studio. So an ID can also work as code editor. That is where you can edit your code and do all sort of things. So we'll be using Android Studio also for our coding and everything. But first we need it for Android development environment setup. So that's why we are installing it. So it's once we are not done installing it, so that you can now proceed, because without installing Android Studio we can't really do anything per se. We can't even do anything. Yeah, so that's why we are starting with setting up our Android Studio, then we move to the next stuff. So as you can also see on this course now, the first thing they will ask us to do is to set up our Android Studio. Okay, they write a simple Kotlin that display text output, but in as much you have to still set up your Android Studio. So now I will send this. I believe everybody have link to this group, to this website. So at your free time you can also walk through it yourself, because this is a course I'll be using to actually take course. There's no special stuff I have aside this course. So I've just been using this course and be explaining some logic terms to us and everything. So that's it basically. So what's the status of our Android Studio installation, Randy?
Yeah, license. I think I'm about to install it now.
Okay, that
I've
license.
installed it. I'm trying to just set some things.
Okay, there's some steps. Each steps you are taking, if you are not clear about what they are asking, you can just take a screenshot and share so I can see or
On the
something.
group, right?
Yes, on the group you can just
On
send.
the group, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I can just see.
Hold on, let me. I just sent something to the group. That's where I am now.
Okay. Okay. So just click on that accept and next. So I think this one is going to install some stuff.
It's not working. I'm clicking on the next. It's not working.
Oh, okay. So now the next thing is you will click on that Android SDK preview license at the side. So click on that. You have to
Uh,
accept that one too. Then all those ones
Android.
with
Okay,
star,
okay.
all those asterisk.
Android.
Yeah, Android
All those what?
SDK, the one with the asterisk sign with a red
Okay.
at the, is it left hand side now or right hand side? You can actually
left hand.
okay, you're not on. Okay, yeah. So once you click on that, click on accept. Then you just accept for everything. So once you accept for the theory, then you'll be able to click on next for it to actually move to the next.
How would I accept for? Okay, okay, okay. I understand now. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, okay. I'm on it now. It's starting the load.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
What of the others?
The others, like other people.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yeah, I think this guy is having bad network. Samuel Damilare, are you still here? If
Yes, I'm still here. I'm downloading it already. I'm downloading the Android studio already.
okay, okay, cool. So, so once you are done downloading, so there's still some setup that we are still going to do, that is inside Android Studio after the setup. So after that, now we can now start the development. To that. So today we just be doing the setup and everything.
Eh, Are you there?
Yeah, I'm still here. Is it still downloading?
Hey, it's still downloading, no, but it seems the thing is taking much of my MB. Wow.
Oh yeah. It's actually downloading some
I'll have
other.
to buy some before this one finishes.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah, if you can just do some
Hey,
subscription.
let me do some subscription immediately.
What's up, Samuel? Are you done downloading? What's up, Randy? What's the percentage of that download now?